Welcome to our latest YouTube video, guys. This week we're going to be working on a Lamborghini Hurácan Performante, and we're going to be doing something that a massive percentage of Lamborghini Performante owners probably didn't know. Come behind the scenes and watch this. So guys, welcome back to the strip and fit department. Jake, bring yourself in. As you can see, the rear bumper is now off the Lamborghini Performante. Just come check out this forged carbon fibre. Looks incredible. It's real dirty at the minute, guys. This car did actually travel just over 5 hours to come to the Bodycentre for us to complete this work. Now, what we are going to be doing is, to be honest guys, I'm not even joking here, I don't even know if this is gonna work or if what we've been told works is even true. So it's probably not the best car to be doing a test on. I've seen a photo, so unless that photo is photoshopped, this is gonna work. Come back in, Jake, come back in. These corner sections here are a satin black. Same with the center diffuser in the section. It is all one piece. So, my brain tells me underneath this satin black paint is forged carbon. So what we're gonna be doing, sanding off this paintwork, hopefully showing some forged carbon, and then we're gonna clear coat over it so we have one full forged carbon rear diffuser to put back on this Lamborghini Perf. I hope this works. So guys, we are now in the spray oven with Adam and the forged carbon rear diffuser. Now, the process that you've seen us go through via the prep stage obviously had a lot of satin black on. Now, the aim of this project is remove all that satin black paint, so when Adam now clears it, the whole thing's gonna be forged carbon. So to remove that satin black, we started with a 180 sandpaper, so it's quite a coarse paper. We've gone from 180 to 240, to 320, to 500. So we've gone all through the greys. We've got no coarse DA marks in this gel coat on the forged carbon. We've then gone around it with soft pads, obviously, so we've got super fine finish. Now, come in, Jake, let's have a look. This is quite, this isn't gonna be the easiest diffuser to lacquer, is it, Adam? No. He's holding it all in. He's got a lot of frustration. I always like to book in some weird and wonderful projects for Adam. So he's pretending that he likes me at the minute. But yeah, like I said, Adam's just cleaning this off, ready to put the gloss coat on. We're not gonna need a carbon fiber primer because it has got gel coat underneath the satin paint that we've removed. We haven't gone through any of that gel coat, so we can go straight on with the clear coat. And luckily, we have the painter of the year doing this job for us. Him and his shiny head. So guys, we'll see you at the end of the video once this is all clean and lacquered and looking like a new one. So guys, thank you if you've made it to the end of this video, and I'm sure you can agree, it looks so much better. So any Performante owners out there who's looking to have this done, we are ready when you are. It's relatively simple job, nothing major to sort of be wary of, very straightforward, but who doesn't love carbon? If you're speccing a new car, especially supercar, you have to get carbon. And anyone with any other vehicles, we are always fitting carbon kits to cars or changing certain parts to carbon on vehicles, exterior, interior. Everyone loves carbon. And I think a lot of people can agree, Forged Carbon is the best. It looks absolutely awesome. It's a lot more, you don't see it as often as normal carbon, so it's quite rare. And like I said, it just looks brilliant. So removing that satin paint off that full rear diffuser, down to the gel coat, obviously going through our grade to sandpaper to not make any scratches or any deep coarse sort of rubbing areas where we've had to remove it. Going through the grade, super fine, and then re-clearing that whole rear diffuser, it looks so much better. And like I said, who doesn't love carbon? So if you've got a perf, guys, let us know. Let's get it in, let's get it done. It's got to be done. And am I correct in saying, Jake, before we go, was it the Yaris GR that we done before as well? I think the Yaris, I'm sure it was the Yaris GR. They have a carbon wrapped roof in a satin black. If you take that satin wrap off, the satin carbon wrap off, underneath that there's a full forged carbon roof. And we've done that once before as well. We didn't do a video on it. So yeah, any Yaris GR owners out there, again, let us know. Let's get that wrap off, show that exposed forged carbon, clear it. You'll be the man about town in the Yaris. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.